Oh shit! We telling me, my people, it's your boy 19. Today is a very, very good day. Right about now, I'm making my way to Reprezent's radio because we're going to represent for the culture. Look who we just meet up with. Shans!
You know, so we there.
Outside, you know?
Yes.
How you feeling?
Nervous and excited at the same time. Appreciate the opportunity. So
Very appreciative of the
Yes.
opportunity. Always. 19876, I represent for Reprezent Radio. And right about now, we're gonna play Family by Popcorn. Family.
Can you give it the biggest and baddest intro ever?
Alright, cool. Cause it's a beautiful and hot today and tomorrow. It's Independence Day. I'm gonna represent to you, my Jamaica.
Tell me about where you guys are from in the Caribbean, in Jamaica. Like, tell me the culture. Tell me for you, like, the earliest moments where he's like, yeah, do you know what?
I got shipped back home to a place called Dalby in St. Thomas, a very small district. It's the first part of the country, actually. Growing up there for a little bit, I appreciate life more when I went there than before I was here, you know?
I saw one of your earliest videos, you chilling with the goat.
Yeah.
What a memory.